Hey there, guys. I wanted to share this beauty with you. Um, I'm so lucky to have captured this amazing moment. There are at least, I don't know, I think maybe 10, 12 birds having fun in the bird bath. It's crazy. I was just walking from the back and there they were. Wow, just awesome. They obviously don't have the answer, but they have a song for sure. And I am enjoying every moment. This scenery is a sign of hope. They are definitely my friends for sure. They are clearly not threatened by me. They're just enjoying every minute of this moment, this time. Isn't it just amazing? There is beauty just around the corner. We never know when. Have yourself a lovely day, and I'll see you soon. Be safe.